Attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special field receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. This evening test is conducted on the first Wednesday of each month between the hours of 6 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather, the test is postponed until the following Wednesday evening. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, may occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting locations in portions of West Kentucky, Southeast Missouri, Southern Illinois, Southwest Indiana, and Northwest Tennessee. This concludes this Wednesday evening test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. We now return to our regular programming.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe
Your
weather
attention,
information.
please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina,
Gosh!
Manson, Vick, Cabarrus, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davidson, Davie, Gaston, Ardell, Lincoln, McDowell, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Polk, Richmond, Rowan, Rutherford.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Franklin County, northeastern Johnston County, southwestern Nash County, northeastern Wake County, west central Wilson County until 10:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in and around the Knightdale area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Raleigh, Bailey, Butt, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Youngstown, Middlesex, Pilot, Smith, Colonel, Buckthorn Reservoir, and Falls Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services.
Hail or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page.
A flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnston, Nash, Wake, and Wilson.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates.